Hi Craig, let me show you add accessories also now. So I am logged in into beta only and Z Abhishek is the client. And once I click on this, my client categories worked exactly the same as I showed you for exhibits. The edit delete all is working here. So let me go ahead and select a category and a subcategory for it. And here let me select the exhibit that I just added. So this is the exhibit that I just added. And now just select a vendor. Change the quantity here. Here also drag and drop is working. So let me just upload a JPEG file here. So this file gets uploaded and so let me do a one here. So my entire data which was added here comes up here also as asked by the quantity, the description, the image, and the part. Everything comes up here. Now let me go ahead and so my graphics also works. We have checked it. And now let me go ahead to continue create packing and then so it says accessories added successfully. This should be actually accessory added successfully, not accessories. So we will get it corrected. So here this data has come up. I can mouse over and when I open it, so currently there were no elements, so it is not coming. And now I can go back and edit it. Says accessory updated successfully. This will again be accessory, not accessories. So this has come up here. Now let me log out and log in as client. So my notes should be coming in. So this is the accessory that I just added and the notes are coming in. We will look into why this image is not coming. It should come in because it is showing here. On click it, okay, we'll check why this is not coming. This image should come in just like these images are coming in. So we'll check that why it is not coming here. But otherwise all the other data is showing up now. Thank you.